दोस्तों, just yesterday somebody was telling me that spiritual people should refrain from politics. They should not be involved in politics. So I questioned them back, like if good people refrain from politics, then the politics will be governed by the bad people or the evil people. And then they'll be using you to their benefits. They'll be utilizing your resources, they'll be utilizing your capacities for their own good. So the question is, should good people or spiritual people keep away from politics? In this reference, I'll give you the viewpoint of Osho. Osho used to say that democracy as a form of government will not work much because democracy means a government which is by the masses for the mass. Now, can retarded or mediocre people choose the right leaders for themselves, even if they have the power of voting? No. They'll be tempted by something. They can be tempted by money, they can be tempted by just a bottle of wine also. So, Osho used to say that meritocracy should be the basis of forming the government. Meritocracy means what? Meritocracy means that the able and talented people should rule. For example, the education minister should be a recognized person in the field of education. The health minister should be a recognized person in the field of health. And even the people who are choosing them, that is, the people who are voting for them, should be some distinguished people. Everybody should not have the right of vote. There should be a selection of the people who can choose the leaders for themselves. So I think we should come out of the concept that good people, spiritual people should keep away from politics. A clear-cut example is a person like Sri Krishna fought the battle of Mahabharata. He was a participant. Raja Janak, who is supposed to be an enlightened person from that Indian tradition, was the king. There have been kings. Shivaji himself had spiritual inclinations. So I don't know why have we come to believe that only evil people are a part of politics. And we are ruled by those politicians. So in a way we are saying, let them rule us, let the evil people rule us. We are okay with that. And that means we have surrendered to the power of evil. I don't think this is the right way. Good, honest, authentic people should join spirituality.